Taking a bus.
Dialogue 1.
Does this bus get to Washington Square?
Oh, no, you should take the number 50 to Tramcar.
Thank you. Where can I take it?
2 blocks down the street.
What's the stop called?
International Fair Center.
But I don't know which stop. I should get off.
You can get off in 3 more stops.
3 more stops.
The sign will say Washington Square. Get off there.
Dialogue 2.
Welcome to our bus.
Excuse me, is this the right bus for Lingian Temple?
Yes, it's No 7 bus.
Do I have the change?
No, Lincoln in Temple is the terminal of this bus.
How much is the ticket?
It's 2 yuans. Please drop your money into the box and be seated in the rear. When we get there, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Taking the subway.
Dialogue 1.
Can I help you?
What should I do with the token?
You put it in the slot at the turnstile, and then push the turnstile to get into the platform.
By the way, how can I get out of the platform after I get off the train?
That's very easy. The exits are always open, and there are signs. You'll see.
Dialogue 2.
Which train do I take to the 5th circle?
Take the Uptown C train and get off at the 6th station.
How about the transfer?
You can ask the officer when you buy ticket.
And where can I get the train?
Just go down those steps.
Thank you very much.
Taking a taxi.
Dialogue 1.
Hi, taxi.
Please hop in. Where to?
Guanhua Hotel, please.
Okay, put this baggage into the trunk, please.
Do you think you can get me here within half an hour?
I think we can get there in time if there are no hold-ups. Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I have an appointment at p.m.
You'll be there in plenty of time, don't worry.
Dialogue 2.
Let me off in front of Park Hotel.
Okay, here we are.
What's the fare?
$25.
Here is the money. Keep the change, please.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Taking a train.
Dialogue 1.
Second class, return to London, please.
That's £25, please.
Here you are. When does the train for London depart?
You'd better hurry. It leaves in 5 minutes.
I don't think I can make it. When is the next train for London?
At p.m.
Thank you. I'll take that one.
Dialogue 2.
Is this car 5?
Yes, get in, please.
Where is my berth, please?
It's over there. Let me show you.
Where shall we put out suitcases?
On the overhead rack.
Oh, it's full.
Put them under the berth.
Missing the train or bus.
Dialogue 1.
Which is the train to Yellowstone Park?
Sorry, I'm afraid the train to Yellowstone Park just left.
Oh my God, I missed the train.
No problem. The train to Yellowstone Park leaves per hours. You can take the next one.
Good. Will I take it in the same platform?
No, the next train will stop at the 3rd platform.
Do I need buy another ticket?
No, you don't.
Thank you.
Dialogue 1.
Can you do me a favor? I was with the Grey Lynn tour, and I've missed the bus. What should I do?
Which tour were you on?
Tour 1, the full-day sightseeing tour.
I see. Well, I'm sure that bus stops at the Century Plaza, so you catch it there.
Great, I'll take a taxi.
I'd catch a local bus if I were you. It leaves from the bus stop on the comer by the bank.
Great, I'll take a taxi.
Number 3, The Century Plaza stop is either the 6th of the 7th. Ask the driver.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hope you catch it.